Quick video showing assembly of this corner shower unit. So as you can see it when we open the box, we've got all the parts wrapped up and packaged nicely with some nice, simple, clear instructions on how to put it all together. So as you can see, you just put the initial poles together and provide the proper tension to where you want it to go, and you put it in place, and then you just set all the baskets on it. And there you have it. Clips into place really easily. The baskets clip on. They are on there nice and sturdy. I'm going to fill it up with all of our shampoos and soaps, and excited to have everything off the ledges of the tub. Another really neat feature is this extra supportive hook. So if you get it all filled up with your things and you don't feel like it's super secure in the corner, they've added this extra hook. You just clean the surface of your wall, and this is an adhesive hook. You peel the back off, you would stick it on, and this extra clip here clips right to the back, and it would stick on the wall there and have it nice secure as an extra support and anchor. I was able to get all of our things on this corner shower caddy with some space left over. These are even big Costco sized bottles, and these shelves are holding them well. Yeah, I love that the ledge of my tub is cleaned off. I would definitely recommend adding this for some more organization in your shower.